What's good, YouTube? Ladies and gentlemen, I am back. I know it's been a minute. It's been a very long time since y'all have seen me. There's reasons for that. Do I care? Weak. Do I care to explain them? Not really. Check me out, bro. I'm back on my stock wheels. I got red calipers, a gray bumper, no side markers. But hey, I got some exciting to show y'all. Not really exciting, but bro, your boy is a cameraman now because yeah, I hit a deer. I'm not gonna cap. Yeah, so I hit a deer. My car was in the shop for like a very long time, so I bought a camera, decided to be media. So if you haven't already, make sure you go follow the media page. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Y'all do all that fun stuff. Yeah, what else do I have to tell y'all? Bro, the gang is disrespectful. We were going to takeovers when I didn't have my car. I could never get them to go to a take until I didn't have my car. However, you know, purple 6'4" toss keys, and I had to show the guys how to bit real quick. Insert the clip. Oh yeah, by the way, bro, the merch came back. Make sure you go get your anti-drift gear. Make sure you go get your anti-drift gear, man. New designs on the way. Boom, hit the deer. What else have I been doing? Nothing. Oh yeah, bro. Bro, I got this man with me, bro. And this man right here, bro, we got something for y'all, man. Stay tuned for the next video. We got something for y'all. So, those aren't the only mods I did. Your boy went catless. I finally went catless. I know in my mid-muffler video, I said I was never going to go catless. But if you watch that video, I also said cap. So, I'm going to play my stock clip, my mid-muffler clip, and then my catless clip. And I'm going to show y'all how loud I am. Just know, maybe, just maybe, tune on the way.
Don't worry, my friend is coming.
know what y'all think, man. Let me know if you think it's louder. You know, let me know if y'all think I should go tune. Should I go underground? Should I go eagle? Should I go dyno tune? Should I not go tune at all? Should I go flame kit? Flame kit and tune? Let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, bro, I never told y'all what happened to the bumper. Cool. Boom. I'm driving home. Mind you, bro, I hit the deer on a Friday, went to a legal pit on Saturday, and was coming home Sunday. As I'm coming home Sunday, I'm driving. I'm 5 minutes from the crib, bro. Tire blows. Cracks my bumper, knocks my side marker out. And yeah, I was going to fix it, but I just bought another one on Marketplace. And yeah, I haven't put my new side markers in yet because I don't have any fender liner at all. Dash said I got 2 months to get a new wrap. So it is currently October 8th. This video is not going to drop no time soon, probably. Yeah, I have until like December, like around Christmas, to wrap this bad boy. Let me know in the comments what color y'all think I should get. I'm not going to listen to your opinions at all. Just let me know what you think I should get. Yeah, I think that is all. Oh, man, bro. For the next video, that cart's on moving. Hey, that's all y'all get. Just know, stay tuned. Anyways, that is all. I'm officially back. Go cop you some merch. Stay tuned for the videos. Stay tuned for the legal pits. I have a really big event I'm going to in like 2 weeks from now. So yeah, it's lit. It's your boy Ferg.